Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Tech Tutorial.
Today for this video I will be showing you how to download and install Messenger Lite. So for that, first of all, open the Google Play Store. This video is particularly for the Android users. For the iOS, you can open the App Store and the rest of the process is similar. On the search bar, you type in Messenger Lite. Tap on search. There you can see the search result for the Messenger Lite. Now you just need to tap on install just beside it. Tap on install and wait for the application to be downloaded. You can see the Messenger Lite application has been downloaded. Now you just need to tap on open, and with that you have successfully downloaded the Messenger Lite application. Hope this video was useful.
Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech Tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.